Welcome to part 4 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to complete the general financial information section. In this session, we will explain the completion of the rest of the form, starting with the additional information section. This section deals with additional information regarding the exempt institution. All the questions must be completed by either choosing Y for yes or N for no. When a Y is selected, the required supporting documentation must be kept and retained for 5 years from the date of submission. Where there are changes to the founding document, objectives or activities, taxpayers must inform SARS within 21 business days. Some supporting documents may be required should your exempt institution be audited by SARS. Indicate if the exempt institution was dormant for the year of assessment. If yes, select Y and answer the question below. If dormant, does the organization have any assets and/or reserves? If the exempt institution was not dormant for the year of assessment, simply select N for no. Indicate the gross remuneration paid to office bearers of the exempt institution. This may include fees, salaries, bonuses, and the value of any fringe benefit received, such as the use of assets or use of motor vehicles. Please make sure you prepare a schedule listing the total amount of remuneration paid to each office bearer and retain such schedule for a period of 5 years. Indicate the gross remuneration paid to employees and prepare a schedule listing the total amount of remuneration paid to each employee and retain such schedule for a period of 5 years. The next section to complete deals with trading activities by the exempt institution. On the source code 7915, capture the total receipts and accruals from trading activities, excluding receipts and accruals of a capital nature. On the basic exemption, capture the applicable amount based on the exempt institution category granted to the taxpayer. The section Total Receipts and Accruals, which are integral and directly related to the sole or principal object, means activities directly connected, linked, and associated with the approved public benefit activity which is conducted by the public benefit organization. The section Total Receipts and Accruals from occasional trading activities, including fundraising, means the total receipts and accruals from activities conducted on an irregular or infrequent basis or as a special event. Source code 7918. Capture expenditure incurred in the production of income. This refers to the costs that are actually experienced during the earning of income which are not capital in nature. Source code 7919. Capture expenditure incurred which produces exempt income. This refers to costs that are actually experienced during the earning of exempt income based on the exempt institution category. And that concludes part 4 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. Stay tuned for part 5. SARS at your service.